guys, I got 2 new knives I'm going to be unboxing for you today. It's going to be from Tenableknives. Tenableknives is like the sister company to Concept Knives. Kind of think about it like We and Civivi. The budget steel option that they kind of use for the Tenableknives is 14C28N. So let's start off with this little guy right here. It looks like this is going to be the Tenable KRYO. The blade itself is going to be 3.59 inches. The designer is Kim Ning, and we're looking at a black wash 14C28N with a brown micarta. So let's take a look at this here. You got your microfiber cloth with the Tenable logo on there, little instruction manual, and you get your actual knife. Already look at it, you got a crossbar lock. That's that brown micarta right there. Ambidextrous clip. So I talked about this during SHOT Show, is that if they have any crossbar lock knives, you can bet on it being an ambidextrous type knife where you can move the clip over to the left side, which I will be doing. Action is phenomenal. I really like that right there. So you got that 14C28N, small logos right there with a Tenable, and then the designer, and you got the steel right there as well. Crossbar lock is really nice on this KRYO. Spidey flick. Yep, no problem. Multiple deployments, obviously, on crossbar style knives. Really like this one. Micarta itself needs some oil to it, or just a little bit of use, a little bit of wear and tear, so that way it can be a little bit less slippery. But overall, this is a really nice knife. Could it be a bug out killer? I don't know. Who knows? Let's check out the second knife. This one right here is going to be a LUCCIO or LUCCIO, and the blade itself is 3.81 inches. The designer is Bolt Vision. We're looking at a black wash 14C28N, just like the other knife. Carbon fiber plus G10 scales. Longer box tells me that it's a fixed blade. Same thing, you got your microfiber cloth. You got your Kydex sheath here with a tech clip, which is also reversible. You can do that. And then you got your knife. Ooh-wee. Let's check that out. Looks like it's already penetrated the plastic, which means it's super sharp. Let's just do that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay. That right there is your blade. You got some jimping right here. Got a nice little swedge right up top, and the contouring on the blade is really nice. Feels comfortable in hand. I think Concept is going to be releasing a premium version of this where they have titanium scales, and the blade I think is S45VN. Take a look at that carbon fiber. This thing is a beauty. Now this is a little larger for everyday carry. Let's look at the, okay. So it doesn't necessarily click in terms of your retention, but it is in there pretty strong, so you can count on it not slipping out and falling. Okay, good little thumb ramp right there to just give yourself a ejector, and that right there is the LUCCIO. 2 new knives. We got the LUCCIO, we got the KRYO by Tenableknives. I'll make sure I link these in the description down below. If you guys like these knives, give this video a like, share, subscribe, and then comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about Tenableknives. Mikey Daily Carry, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.